Why Group Learning? Part 1. How to Grow Your Brain. The key ingredients for student learning are productively struggling and making explicit connections. Productive struggle means giving students time to grapple with new material so that they must think about what strategies to use before you show them the best strategy. Making explicit connections means helping students associate what they're learning with other things they've learned before so they can build on their knowledge base. Most of us probably do at least one of these things really well. If you like to use discovery learning, then you're likely including many opportunities for your students to productively struggle. If you like to give great lectures and your students seem to follow along, you're likely including many opportunities for your students to make explicit connections. The hard thing to do is to teach our courses in the sweet spot, where students get a good mix of both types of learning opportunities. Learners need to be confident in their ability to use new and different strategies. This makes their brain muscles stronger. Sometimes this means trying a new strategy, struggling, and maybe even having that strategy fail, and then persisting so they can try a different strategy. It's a process. Students need to grow their brains so that they learn how to manage this process. With group learning, students and faculty work together to create a safe, positive environment that allows students to explore this process. Many educators believe that students learn through asking questions and participating in group discussions. Students are expected to struggle and disagree. Learning takes place through this dialogue. Cognitive researchers believe that group work helps us form stronger connections between existing knowledge and new knowledge, and these strong connections lead to greater retention and transfer. So group learning gives opportunities for both productive struggle and making explicit connections. Many community college math students, particularly at the developmental level, come to us with a fixed mindset about their ability to learn math. They often feel that there are two kinds of people in this world: those who are born good at math and those who will never be good at math. Worse, they feel they fall into this second category. As instructors, we know that learning math is not a talent one is born with. Students who succeed are usually students who put in the effort. Students who spend time doing their homework and studying for exams are more likely to be successful in their math classes. Students who use good strategies. Studying is a learned skill. Some students put in a ton of effort without making much progress. Successful students know how to maximize their productivity. Students who get help are also successful. All students get stuck at least once in a while. Students who know they need help and know where they can get help from are much more successful. It is vital that we convert our students to a growth mindset so they understand and believe that they can be successful math students. Some amazing research has been done in recent years in the area of student mindsets, particularly by Carol Dweck, a research psychologist at Stanford University. A random assignment study was performed with incoming freshmen at UT Austin using a particular activity. Results were statistically significant that students in at-risk populations were more likely to persist in college after completing this very simple activity, which is designed to shift students from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. The activity takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Students read an article, "You Can Grow Your Brain," which outlines the science behind how our brain learns and discusses the importance of putting in effort, using good strategies, and getting help. Students are asked to write about a time they learned something new that was hard at first, but they were able to accomplish it over time. Then they're asked to write a letter to a friend who's struggling in a math class. They use practices they learned about in the article to encourage the friend and give them advice about how to be successful. After you stop this video, take a few minutes, click on the link You Can Grow Your Brain, download the article, and read it.